Hey, explorers! Today we are providing you with the best survival tools for 2024. These essential gear pieces provide durability, adaptability, and dependability for any outdoor trip. Without further ado, let's discover the essential survival tools that will keep you prepared and secure in the outdoors. Leatherman Wave. First, we'll look at the Leatherman Wave Plus Multitool. If you enjoy DIY, home renovation, gardening, or simply being ready for anything, this versatile 18-in-1 multi-tool will become your new best friend. First, let's discuss durability. The Leatherman Wave Plus has a tank-like build. It's constructed in Portland, Oregon, and comes with a generous 25-year warranty, so you know it's built to last. This isn't just any tool, it's designed to endure almost everything, which demonstrates Tim Leatherman's ingenuity and tenacity. Now for the features. With 18 distinct tools, the Wave Plus delivers a powerful punch. You'll find everything from needlenose and ordinary pliers for precision gripping operations to replacement wire cutters that can handle even the hardest wires. And let's be sure to include the two types of knives: a sharp 420 HC straight knife and a serrated knife, which are ideal for a range of cutting tasks. Hogue Sig Sauer K320. If you like Sig Sauer or are searching for a great everyday carry knife, you should stick around for this one. First, let's discuss the design. This knife is the result of a cooperation between Hogue and Sig Sauer, with inspiration from the Sig Sauer P320 handgun. This impact is clearly visible and felt in the knife's design, particularly in the polymer grip and texturing, which are similar to the P320. This offers the knife a lighter feel while maintaining grip and control. One of the K320's distinguishing advantages is its adaptability. The pocket clip can be positioned in any of the four corners, allowing for complete customization according on your preferred carry method. Whether you prefer tip up, tip down, left, or right carry, this knife has you covered. Additionally, this K320 has an ABLE-style locking system, which stands for Ambidextrous Bar Lock Enhanced. This lock has a safe and dependable mechanism that keeps the blade firmly in place when in use. It's easy to use and gives you peace of mind knowing your blade is protected. And speaking of the blade, it has a tanto-style design that is ideal for piercing and slicing operations. The blade length is 3.5 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of cutting tasks, such as opening packages, cutting rope, and preparing food while camping. Surviveware Premium First Aid Kit. I have something that every outdoor lover, tourist, or anyone who enjoys being prepared should look into: the Surviveware Waterproof First Aid Kit. This package is a must-have for anybody who wants to be prepared for any emergency, whether they're camping, hiking, boating, or simply want to have a trustworthy first aid kit at home. First things first, this set contains 200 first aid items. That's right, 200 things. It includes everything you need to treat minor cuts, scratches, and burns. Now let's discuss about the waterproof feature. This kit has a 100% waterproof design. It is composed of strong waterproof material and has watertight zippers to keep all of the things inside entirely dry. You can actually submerge this kit for 30 minutes up to a depth of 1 meter. This makes it ideal for individuals who enjoy sailing, kayaking, or who are susceptible to extreme weather crises such as hurricanes, tropical storms, or heavy rain. LifeStraw Peak Series. This little gadget is a game changer for guaranteeing you have access to safe drinking water no matter where you are. First, let's discuss what makes the LifeStraw Peak Series so unique. This portable water filter delivers top-notch protection against 99.99% of germs, even nasty ones like E. coli and salmonella. It also removes 99.999% of parasites, including Giardia and Cryptosporidium. But that's not all. It also removes 99.999% of microplastics, silt, sand, and cloudiness. Essentially, if there is something in the water you do not want to drink, LifeStraw has you covered. Worried about shelf life? No need. The LifeStraw Peak series has an indefinite shelf life, so you won't have to worry about how long it's been lying unused in your emergency kit. It will be ready to go when you need it. Another impressive characteristic is its adaptability. The LifeStraw Peak series detachable threaded bottom cap allows for attachment to water bottles and normal gravity hoses. This makes it a versatile tool for a wide range of hydration demands, whether you're on a day trek or setting up a long-term camp. So there you have it. The LifeStraw Peak series personal water filter is a must-have for anybody who enjoys the great outdoors or wants to be prepared for emergencies. It's reliable, versatile, and incredibly effective at making sure the water you drink is safe and clean. RoverTac 11-in-1 Multitool Hatchet. Lastly, I'm excited to examine the RoverTac Camping Hatchet Multi-Tool, a 14-in-1 survival tool ideal for camping, trekking, fishing, and any outdoor experience. Whether you're shopping for yourself or seeking for a meaningful present for the guys in your life, this multi-tool has you covered. Let's speak about flexibility. This multi-tool hatchet provides all of the necessary equipment for a good camping trip. It has an extremely sharp axe blade and a long, aggressive saw blade, making it an ideal instrument for chopping or sawing trees for fuel with ease. But that's not all. The built-in fire starter and whistle are ideal for any outdoor survival emergency, allowing you to create a fire and signal for assistance when necessary. This hatchet is made of solid stainless steel and features a long-lasting black oxide finish. And the bright red, high-visibility oxide coating on the handle not only looks excellent, but also makes it easy to find in your kit. This heavy-duty multi-tool can chop, saw, and hammer, making it a dependable partner on any expedition. Beyond that, it is nearly 9 inches long, making it substantially longer and stronger than comparable hatchets that vary from 6.7 to 6.9 inches.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.